Hey, it's Bambi at Shoes of Hollywood, and I'll be reviewing these for you today. These are the new thigh-high pink holographic boots in the 7 inches. They're from Pleasers. Hi guys, it's Bambi here again, and I'm here at Shoes of Hollywood, and today we're going to be reviewing the pink ADORE-3000 holographic boots. So you've got the tissue paper around them. Oh, these are so cute. I haven't seen them yet. So here's a look at the boot. They're super tall thigh-high boots. You've got the holographic on them, if you can see in the light. And you've also got the zipper that's going halfway up the boot, so you've got a much cleaner look at the top, I feel like. These are the 7-inch boots. You've got the grippy bottoms on them for support when you walk. So let's try it on. Also, I'm wearing a size 10 in these boots. I do normally wear a size 9, but you should size up on the thigh highs just so you have a bit more room. Alright, so I'm going to test them out, take them for a walk. They're super comfortable, easy to walk on the carpet. So now I'm going to give you guys a side view. Now, it's summer right now and it's super hot, but I know how much you guys like seeing them in the sun. So we're going to take them for a walk. So yeah, that's a bit of a look at these boots. Make sure to comment and subscribe and let us know your thoughts. Make sure to leave a thumbs up as well. going to take them off. Also, just to let you guys know that this is the code here for the shoes, so you can search it up on the website. And we're also going to be leaving a link to them in the description. So yeah, that's a look at these beautiful boots. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye guys.